Hey, what's up everyone? This is my new PC build. I got the Fractal Torrent case. There we go. Big fans in the front. Got the fans in the bottom, 3 of them. Yeah, I got the Lian Strimmer Plus. I like the lights on it. I got 4 RAM sticks, but each of them only has 8 GB. But I just got 4 because it looks cool. I got the Noctuas working. Keeping my CPU cool over here. Noctua in the back also. There we go. The motherboard has RGB as well. It's the Rog Strix Z690, the one that supports 12 gen Intel. It's a DDR4. Yep. 3090 Founders. Yeah. I like the lights over here too. This is where the power supply is. I got the HX 1000 from Corsair in here, powering this thing up. Alright. There's a antenna that came with the motherboard. Reaches Wi-Fi pretty all the way from my router. It's like a room over. So I thought I was gonna need a Wi-Fi extender, but when I put this on, I didn't, so I just returned that Wi-Fi extender. Yep, there we go. Yeah, I like the RGB, especially because it's like the holidays right now. Yeah, super cold airflow here. Yeah, feels like when I'm opening the freezer. That's how cold it is. There we go. Boom. Thank you.